Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Ars Matchless Spoon. This is Kumar with you again. Okay, today I'm here with a new dish. It is known as potato kadai. It's a special dish. Normally, this is a dish of Pakistan actually. So, thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Yeah, let me introduce the ingredients for the special kadai potato. I have taken here 6 medium-sized potatoes, cut into this type. I'll show you how to cut this one. Then I have taken here 2 cups of cabbage, cut into small pieces. Ginger, 1 piece ginger, cut into long thin pieces. Then I got fenugreek powder. I will use about half teaspoon. Around 6 green chilli, cut into long. Then I got turmeric powder here, red chili powder, then Kasuri Methi, coriander leaves cut into small pieces. Then I got cumin seed here, oil, salt, and I got here Asafoetida. So these are the ingredients for this one. Yeah, before we start, let me show you how we cut this potato into small pieces, very thin pieces. Okay. This is the size of the potato I cut. Yeah, let us start. I will on the stove now. Yes. To put the oil. Yeah, oil to fry the potato. So you can use, because this is a deep fry, so you have to add more oil. Okay. Actually, this is a Pakistani dish. If you say. Well, let's try how it comes. I'm using cabbage instead of onion here again. So oil is getting hot now. Let us start. The oil is hot now. I will add the potato here. Yeah, it's very hot. Good. We'll fry this golden brown color. Yes. Yeah, I will turn this over now. Okay. Yes. Okay. It turned. Now we'll wait until it gets golden brown. Time to time you have to turn around. Okay. Otherwise one side will be too much. Other side will be less. Okay. So now it is golden brown. We will remove this from the pan. So it looks nice. Yes. Yeah, the frying is finished. Now let us start the other procedures for this one. Yeah, I kept the cooking pot. I will add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay. That's enough. Okay. What I'm going to add here, first I will add the cumin seed. Without cumin seed. Okay. I think I will add some more oil to it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Let the cumin seed splatter. The pot is hot. Yeah, it's getting oil now. Yeah, it's almost ready. I'm going to add the ginger over here, cut it in small pieces. Yes. Cumin and ginger. And it is nice smell is coming. Yes. Okay. Let's try some time. I will add the green chili over here, around 6, 7 chili. This you can add at the consistency you require of the spicy consistency. You can add, because I will be adding some red chili powder also later on. I think this is enough. Okay. Now what I'm going to add, I'm going to add this cabbage cut into small pieces. Yes. Just okay. In order to cook it fast, I'll add around 1.5 teaspoon of salt here. Okay. And I'll add some Asafoetida. Okay. So the aroma will be different actually. Yes. That's it. Okay. Yeah. I will cover the lid now. So let it cook. Okay. We'll cover the lid now. Okay. Let us see where we reach. Yeah. Yeah. Halfway through now. Little bit more. If you think the oil is less, you can add more oil. There's no problem. To give more taste only. That's why. But I'm reducing the oil. That's why. Right. Okay. Good. A bit more. Here I'm going to add a little bit of coriander leaves to it. Okay. And some Kasuri Methi. Yeah. Just let's add it to it. We'll mix it well. You know the smell of Kasuri Methi. Very nice. Okay. I think we have to add a little more oil to it. Okay. Yeah, that's it. And that will be enough. Have to mix it well now. We need some more time. Maybe another 2-3 minutes. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to close the lid again for another 2-3 minutes. Okay, let it go. Yeah, let me remove the lid now. Oh yeah, it's ready now. What I'm going to add here is turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. Okay, let me just sort it well. Good. Yeah, then I'm going to add red chili powder. So yeah, remember I already added 6 green chili, so I'm going to add here around 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. Again, sort it well. The raw smell will go. Just wait for that. Great. Okay. I'm going to add the tomato here. 3 tomato cut into small pieces. Yeah. Just mix well. Remember we already added 1.5 teaspoon of salt here. I will add again. Yeah, around 1.5 teaspoon. Okay. Why I took 6, you may think that why I took 6 potatoes. You know, we are 6 at home. So, when we are making, we all taste it. No. So, you don't want to get it less. That's why I took 6. You can take 4, 3, as you wish. Okay. I'll close the lid for some time so the tomato will cook soon. Yeah, it is almost ready now. You have to salt it time to time, otherwise there is getting chance to burn. Okay. Even though this pot is non-stick, but still chance of burn. You have to make here. Okay, good. It's getting ready. Maybe another 2-3 minutes. Okay, so all the tomato will be ready. Okay, I will close the lid again for 2 minutes or 3 minutes maximum. Let us see. Yeah, it's ready now. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to add hot water here. In fact, I forgot to mention this when I introduced the ingredients. Hot water here. No, this water you can see what the consistency you want. If you want loose, you can add, but better in thick form. So I add here water. Okay, and it boil. Yeah, this, and make sure that you are adding hot water only, not cold water. Okay. Wait for some time to boil. Okay, actually this is the final stage actually. So water is getting boiled now. I'm going to add the powdered Fenugreek powder here. Yeah, half teaspoon, that's enough. Yeah. Okay, mix it well. Yeah, ready? Boiling now. Good. And I'm going to add the potato which we cut fried. That one. Okay. Yes. Okay. Add that one. Mix it well. It will boil for some time. Then the water will get thick. The consistency will be thicker one is the best one. Okay. It will boil for some time. Okay. It's almost ready. We are almost there. Yeah. I'll close the lid for 1 minute so it will boil fast. Yes, look at me. Yes, definitely. Yeah. Potato Kadai is ready now. Okay. I'm going to put out the fire now. Now this you can have it with chapati or tandoor roti or paratha or rice, even rice you can have it. Okay. Very tasty sweet. Okay. Even with the bread also it is tasty. Okay. I'm going to put out the fire now. Yes. Thank you very much. Now I will add the final stage, or that means the coriander leaves, when I transfer it to the serving plate. Okay. Yeah, our special potato kadai is ready to serve. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Yeah, I'm sure that you will enjoy this dish. Now, in the final stage, I have added 1 pinch of sugar, not too much, but half teaspoon like that. So it will give a special taste to this dish. And I'm going to give my little princess to taste the dish. Okay, my dear, just taste it.
Yes.
Yeah. Is it look yummy?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now you try and give me the feedback. How is it?
Let me check the dish. How is it? And I will tell the taste.
Yeah. Yeah. How is it?
It's yummy.
Yummy? You like it?
It's the best. Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, I'll be back with another dish soon. Okay? But don't forget, as my little princess told, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Goodbye.
Bye. Thank you very much.